Hello, student of class 8. Today we will read from the book of First Images, lesson number 14, from storytelling to film making. Let's open your book and now read the From storytelling to film making is an essay. It takes its readers thousands of years back to the Stone Age when cavemen first began drawing pictures on the walls of caves, and also talk about the modern age of films, the internet and social media sites. Let's now read the lesson. Mankind tires with storytelling began about 50,000 years ago when cavemen started carving images of animals and their surroundings on the walls of the cave. That was the first manifestation. Manifestation, an action that is a sign that something exists. That was the first manifestation of man's compulsive that is difficult to stop. Compulsive desire to share a story, whether factual or fictional. Storytelling is an intrinsic. Intrinsic human trait. Cave art was mankind's first intellectual pursuit. For the first time in its history, man was able to leave something behind for future generations. It gave rise to a collective memory of the caveman of those times. The visual stories of the caveman were all about survival and were mostly about hunting practices. It was the first public account of a community's history. It was also the first step towards the creation of a sophisticated language. However, it took mankind several more millennia, plural of millennium, to put words on paper. His stories continue to be oral for a very long time. However, development of language brought along subtleties that led to a creation of stories that could include complex human feelings and emotions, something that cave art was inept. inept act that bring us to oral storytelling after cave art. This is the oldest form of communication that mankind has indulged in. Even today, many tribes across the world continue to pass on their folklore orally. These traditions often use song, chant, and poetry to share stories that are passed on across many generations. Myths were also first passed on via word of mouth. The first printed form of storytelling began via hieroglyphs in ancient Egypt. This form of writing used pictographic characters as symbols and sounds. The hieroglyphic language dates back about 5,000 years and is recognized as one of the world's earliest writing systems. It was not only used for religious documents but also to line tombs and temples with messages to future inhabitants. Historians believe written symbols date back to about 9,000 years ago. Writing began as drawing but over time changed into script. The current alphabet were derived from older forms of writing. The Roman alphabet is the most widely used alphabet in the world today. You are reading is right now. It is believed to have been developed from the Phoenician alphabet, which dates back to 1050 BC. The transition from oral to written culture overlapped, but it mostly happened in ancient Greece, where the earliest inscription dates from 770 to 750 BC. Scholars suggest that the Iliad by Homer is the oldest surviving work in the Greek language that originated from oral tradition. The biggest impediment to the writing work during the Middle Ages was the issue of literacy. For a very long time, only the cream of society has the privilege to the education. As a result, the access to printed stories was a luxury that only the rich and powerful could afford. Meanwhile, the masses continued to share stories orally. This was also the time when stage and street theaters became popular. It was not until the invention of the printing press in the 15th century that people could have access to literature. Johannes Gutenberg, 1400 to 1460 AD, a German blacksmith, invented the printing press. Mass printing brought an information revolution by expanding opportunity for literacy and learning among the general population. Many historians today believe that no invention in the history of man has had a greater influence on the human society than the introduction of mass printing. The history of storytelling is also a history of technology. In many ways, technology has largely shaped the way we lead out our lives and how we tell our stories. Starting from the 19th century, the speed of technology progress has been tremendous. In a span of 200 years, we got a plethora is a large number of storytelling options, right from the creation of photography to radio to motion pictures. Photography was the next major step up to the tradition of storytelling. For the first time ever, we had more than just words to say a story. In the beginning, photographs were mostly used to supplement a story. But as the collective memory of our species began to expand, photos became a medium in itself. Today, photography is an independent form of storytelling, and often photos disclose dense plots that word can never capture. Motion pictures were a natural progression after photography. Film opened up a whole new world of storytelling. Today, it is the most popular form of sharing stories. Millions of people across the globe watch films every day, from thrillers to tragedies to romances. There are films all kinds today. The arrival of the internet is the most recent phenomenon in this rich tradition. The freedom that the internet provides has never existed before. Today our story can be shared with millions of people with a few clicks of a mouse or a few taps on the screen of a smartphone. Social media sites such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and WhatsApp also people to share stories with the whole world in a manner of a few seconds. Our ancestors never had such an opportunity. They have to told, they have to live their tradition to tell the generation orally. But in the modern time, every person can visible the same thing, story on your mobile phone or on the screen of a computer. Now your lesson is completed. See the consolidate questions. Question number one: how did mankind start with storytelling begin? Mankind tries with storytelling began when caveman started images images of the animals and their surroundings on the walls of their cave. Write the question second. Write a paragraph on oral storytelling. Cave art brings us to oral storytelling. Even today, many tribes across the world continue to pass on their folklore orally. These traditions of use song, chant, and poetry to share stories. Question 3. What do you understand by hieroglyphic language? Hieroglyphic language means pictures or symbols of objects representing words, syllables, or sounds. Question 4. How was photography a major step up in the tradition of storytelling? Photography is an independent form of storytelling, and often photos disclose such dense plots that words can never capture. Question 5. What is most popular form of sharing story? Sharing stories today. Internet is the most popular form of sharing stories today. Now question number second. A to question number 1, 2 and 3 you have to complete as your homework.